Now this one. Remember the shape. The shape say how do this one. You need to know this shape go like in this shape. That means that like that. It's like that. Now you put again a machine like this. We're going for the base here. Remember the base has these two holes is in front. And these two checking for not get in the way for the carry here. The carry need to be moved for the base. Remember, never for the top. You going down and carry a little to the left. For this can be good there. Here's the way. Yes, there. Now down. And let like that because you need the others. When you see scars the way is, you just put this screws here, the one in the back. These three ones. The black little felpa go inside. The white thing go in the top like this. Is there? Put the 3 screws. Turn off the machine and checking. Perfect. Good. It's working. Thank you guys, and please continue pray for the world. God bless you. Thank you. Bye.